The sacral chakra, when it is overactive, it gives high creativity. You see all the people with high painting skills, or any fashion designer or cosmetic or jewelry, anything which is with high illumination world where your creativity is required. So such people, when their sacral chakra is very high, they procreate anything. They do new designs and new inventions when your sacral chakra is overactive. So let's go to solar plexus. So solar plexus holds T9 or T5 to T9 area. It holds your pancreas, it holds your digestion, assimilation of all the food which you have eaten. It also holds the muscle part, that how much will go to the muscles and how much strength will go to the muscles. It holds your willpower. It holds whether you can move the mountain, or even if you have done a lot of PhDs and highest degree and still you don't know what to do, how to drive the car, or how to, your willpower is under the flow. So such people, like solar plexus is basically taking the energy from sacral as well as from the heart chakra. So we will have another series where we talk about that, how they operate in conjunction to each other and contribute the life to them. So let's go to the next one, which is heart chakra. Now heart chakra is very important. It's the central circuit of your body. It creates the electromagnetic field of your body. You can call it as a powerhouse. You can call it as a generator of your aura, or of your circumference of your aura. So this one holds T1 to 5 muscles on the spine. It regulates our cardiac rhythm. How much we are breathing per hour or per minute is being handled by the heart chakra. This is also a two-way funnel. It gives giving and receiving. Needs to be balanced here. If it is not balanced, we are not in a proper love here. So because if you're only giving, it's not balanced. If you're only receiving, it's not balanced. Unconditional love comes from here. Now we'll talk about unconditional love in a detail, another video, where it means we become like nature, because nature gives us unconditionally. How much we take, how much we give, it keep on repeating the same thing. But electromagnetic field, your blood pressure, your immune system, if you're prone to infections, if you're prone to inflammations, heart chakra needs to be balanced. Now throat chakra, it holds C3 to 7. It holds our thyroid gland. It's about communication, how we talk. But this chakra is also, like if you talk about Indian Vedic scriptures, we have here poison. The Shiva kept the poison here. So are you speaking truth or are you speaking the lie? But if you're speaking whatever, some people have lot of teeth issue. Some people have lot of teeth transplants, or lot of things they go to doctor again and again, is because they are not able to communicate properly. Their communication to themselves is not properly. They do not attend their own emotion. They do not give time to themselves. So they are not able to chew the situation and people around them. So they go to doctor again and again to fix their dental setup. It helps in metabolism. It helps in calcium regulation in our body and bone structure. So it means if we are in our natural way, we say that this person is very good in heart, but he doesn't speak well. It means you're speaking poison most of the time, because you are always angry and you're not able to connect with yourself. So you need to vibrate this chakra. You need to say any religion, any country, just say some lines, sing a song, or vibrate it with some mantra or some chant which you like in your religion. It will start getting activated, and start speaking truth to yourself. Start speaking yes from here. So now goes to third eye chakra. It holds on the spine C1 to 2. It holds our pituitary gland and our pineal gland. Two glands are on C1 to 2. It holds our intuition, wisdom, creativity, intelligence, farsightedness. The people who are like pre-planned people, those who are very good organizing people, who can plan good, who can think about their next 5 years, for them this is balance. It helps in our hormonal balance in their body. So if your hormones are not balanced, or if it is not coming in the sequence, it means the third eye is not proper. The psychological regulation, psychosomatic thing starts happening from the third eye. Hallucination starts happening from third eye. Night dreams or bad dreams starts happening from third eye. This is the point where we need to strike a balance to make it, your pituitary and your gland needs to be balanced properly. So let's go to the crown chakra. Now crown chakra is on the fontanel, which is the front of your head. So it gives the spirituality, relationship with yourself and the God. Nowadays we do not have a connection with ourselves. We don't know which is our favorite, which is our strongest sense, which is our strongest element, what fits me, what doesn't fit me, what's my frequency. We are not being introduced to ourselves in our schools and colleges. So if we know ourselves, if we sit with ourselves, trust me, whatever you want in this lifetime, your soul can get you. But you need to connect to your soul. It handles your cosmic rhythm. It handles your bioelectricity also. It handles your electromagnetic pulse of your battery. So crown chakra also holds this one, the electromagnetic field. Now these chakras are like an internal inks. I call it like a printer ink. Every ink is there, every color is there, but sometimes it's not emitting out. The color is not emitting out, the color is not showing in the screen, or there are many tools to measure, or we feel that this chakra is not balanced. It's because there are many layers over this chakra. These chakras are on the spine, then they have adrenal gland, then they have skin on it. Then inside they have blood, they have water flow, they have all the activities happening. Now the skin has 5 layers, the body has 5 layers. If that 5 layers are stuck, or if that 5 layers are not cleansed, or if that 5 layers are full with the capacity, then inside chakras will not shine outside. So we will cover that 5 layers in our next video.